yeah, Torchmate's been a big part in that growth.
Now we're taking a potential problem and just curing it instantly.
I can now fire this table up right now, put plate on it, and start cutting our parts at whatever my shop out here needs.
This is going to make our lives so much easier.
Table is just flawless. It just cuts nice and straight and gives me a good cut. I give that to the customers.
It became more important than a hand grinder or a bandsaw or anything because we use it for everything.
And so having that ability to be able to cut something out that we need right this second and not wait for a third-party vendor going, hey, we need this, you know, that's been a huge, you know, step forward.
It's insane to see where we were without a table, what we could do with the table, and for the last month, how long it's taken to get little things done without having our table.
It's a great investment, and it is an investment to your company.
Whether it's a piece of 1/8" material going all the way up to, I think the most we've cut are these bracket mounts for an 8-piston brake that's 1/2 inch thick.
Now I've got the Lincoln Torchmate 4510 with a flex cut 80 on it, and we can cut easily up to 1/2 inch thick plate.
Once you get into the thicker materials, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4, 1 inch, the cut quality is unbelievable.
You guys were pretty much solving every issue like right on the spot. So any job that I had for a customer, you guys would tell me how to do it, what I was doing wrong, and I'd be up and running.
Customer support has been great. They're a phone call away, they're an email away.
The training, number one, the usability for, you know, a welder that's not a CNC guy, it's very easy from that standpoint. And having a 1-800 number you can call and they can walk you through just about anything.
We just constantly have this thing going.
It's also gotten us new jobs because now we can do it faster than anybody else can.
Time is money, so you've got to keep that. And this machine has allowed us to increase our speed and efficiency.
Whether it's the controller, the table, the plasma, everything is Lincoln Electric.
I would 100% recommend this machine to anybody.
Zero regrets, guys. This table will have paid for itself within 12 months from the time we got it.